Welcome back to Choma Media. Are you looking for a remote job but not sure where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Remote work has become more popular than ever, offering flexibility, work-life balance, and opportunities to work from anywhere in the world. In today's video, I will share the top 5 websites to help you find your dream remote job. Dive in. Remote work is no longer just a trend. It's becoming the norm. More companies are embracing it because it's great for both employers and employees. For examples, it means flexibility. You can work from your home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. For companies, it opens up access to a global talent pool. Finding a remote job isn't just about luck, it's about knowing where to look for it. That's why I'm here to share the top 5 websites for remote job seekers. Let's get started. First on the list is remote.co. This website is designed specifically for remote job seekers. It features jobs in categories like customer service, marketing, and IT. We work remotely. This platform is one of the largest remote job boards out there, with thousands of listings in tech, design, and more. It has specialized filters. You can search for jobs based on categories like full-time, freelance, or part-time. It helps to narrow your option. Number 3, FlexJob. While this one requires a subscription, it's worth it if you are serious about finding a remote job. FlexJob offers more than just job listing. It has career coaching, resume reviews, and even webinars to help you grow your career. Plus, every job listing is verified, so you don't have to worry. Number 4, AngelList. This platform is perfect if you are looking to work with startups. AngelList helps you apply directly to companies, and you can even see salary range and equity options. Its clean interface makes the job search process super smooth. Number 5, LinkedIn. Probably know LinkedIn as a networking site, but it's also a fantastic place to find remote jobs. LinkedIn's advanced search filter make it easy to find remote job opportunities, because you can connect with recruiters and join professional groups to grow your network. Now, here are tips that you need. Don't stick to just one website. Using multiple platforms increases your chances of finding the right job. Each website has unique opportunities, so explore them all. Crafting your winning application. Stand out. Make sure your resume and cover letter highlight skills that are perfect for remote work, like communication, time management, and tech savviness. Don't forget to update your LinkedIn profile too. It's often the first place recruiter will look. Now, let's look at the interview process. When you land an interview, practice for virtual meeting. Test your tech beforehand. Make sure your background is clean and quiet and dressed professionally. Remember to ask questions about remote work arrangements, like flexible hours or home office stipends. So there you have it, the top 5 websites for finding remote jobs and tips to help you stand out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on career tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.